Hi guys! Today I would like to make a Chinese style recipe. It takes much time to cook, but it's really simple. Everybody can make it at home. Let's start cooking. We're gonna need half a kg pork rib, coconut juice from 1 coconut. You can also just use normal water. 1 anise star, 1 teaspoon nutmeg powder, some ginger slices, half a teaspoon cinnamon powder, but if you want to have heavier cinnamon fragrance, you can add more. 1 tablespoon cooking oil, and garlic. I almost forgot this ingredient. Add pork rib into a pot, then coconut juice or water, and bring to boil. The water boils, we turn down the heat and add spice ingredients with cooking oil. Cover the pot and let it simmer in 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we season with sugar. Here I use rock sugar, soy sauce, salt. Stir well. Then we cook until the sauce becomes thickened and the meat turns soft. After 15 to 20 minutes, the sauce already become thickened. You can see now our pork rib have nice brown color and the aroma is fantastic. It's time to off the heat and serve. I transfer our pork rib to a dish. Garnish with some chopped spring onion and cilantro. Sprinkle with some roasted sesame. This dish is very delicious with nice aroma and is best served with steamed rice. If you guys like my video, please thumb up, subscribe my channel and click on the bell beside to update my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you soon.